Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how we can customize the Google form. So open the Google Drive. In Google Drive, open the existing form. So this form we have created in the previous video. Now I want to customize this form. So there is a customize theme button. Click on customize theme and you can choose any of the color here. Okay, now let me choose orange. Okay, this will be the theme color and automatically background color displays. Okay, we may choose any background. Okay, if I go to red, so light, medium and bit dark color of theme color as a background is going to display. Now you can also change the font. Okay, and sometimes you can choose the image. Okay, you can choose any of the theme from here. Okay, now I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and click on insert. Right, it will be inserted. Now let us see the preview. Click on the preview button. This is the respondent form. Okay, now you can see this is how it looks, the Google form. Right, so back to the form, and if you click on responses, individual summary you can find here. Right, so individual records of the user or the respondent, you can find the responses over here, and also summarize response. Okay, and if you go to the question, right, so only one response is there, so that response is also available. Okay, so here we have added 4 questions. The first one was student name, and first respondent response is there. If I go to second, father's name, this is the second response. If I go for qualification, third question, response is PUC. If I go for desired course, response is BSc PCM. Okay, so individuals also we can check. Now these responses can be downloaded by clicking this button. If you click this button, okay, you can able to create the Excel sheet. Okay, and you don't want the respondent to be response after given a particular time. If you want to stop the responses, you just click on this button. Okay, accepting responses right now is on. Okay, if you go to preview and if you add name, say I will type here Dheeraj Sharma. Okay, and Vinay Sharma as a father name. Okay, if I go to qualification, his qualification is diploma. Okay, now he's desiring for the BCA course. Select the BCA, click on submit. Okay, now you can see the respondent has respond to the form. Okay, now just close this form. Okay, and now go to this summary. There are 2 responses we have received. The first response is from Chetan Shendre, second from Dheeraj Sharma. Okay, so their responses are there. Now question wise also you can check. Go to the first question. Okay, so we were asked student name Dheeraj. Okay, this is response 2 Dheeraj Sharma. Entire record is going to be displayed. Okay, so individual record, if I go to the first record, I can find Chetan Shendre's record. Okay, and if I click on this view response in sheet, I will get the 2 responses here. Okay, so we have not added email. Okay, now I want this mail to be mandatory one, right? So what I do, okay, so I will go to the setting, I will click on the setting, and I will click on collect email addresses, and I will click on save. Okay, so whenever next time this respondent want to respond, he has to input the mail ID. Okay, now the form is getting open, right? And he can response, and the email one is the mandatory one, mandatory field. Okay, now go to the form again. Okay, so you can change the setting if you want. You may keep this, otherwise you can just remove the check mark, click on the save, it will be removed from the form. Okay, similarly, if I click on setting and if I click on limit one response, okay, respondent will be required to sign in to Google form. Okay, sorry, Google. So respondent must have the Gmail account to respond. Okay, only one response is acceptable, right? So right now you can see, right? So if I respond once, next time it doesn't take. And also I want to stop the responses, so simply click on the response tab and go to accepting response and just click on this button. Okay, now you can see not accepting responses. Okay, if I go to preview also, see the form is not getting open. Okay, so this is how you can restrict and how you can customize your form. Okay, now this is the customization of the form. Okay, I already said how you can change the theme, how you can change the image also. Okay, once again I will click on image uploaded, right? So even though if you have the photos, so you can add your own photos, and if you have other files, you can click on upload, click on browse. Okay, say for example there is a file SV. Okay, click on open. Okay, now here you will get the preview also, right? So select it and just click on the done, right? Now whatever the image you have selected, that image is going to be display here. Okay, now you can see the college name is getting appeared on the form. Okay, now I want to see the preview, but it is not available right now because I have restricted the responses, right? But you can clearly see that the image is going to be appear. Okay, so this is how you can customize your Google form, right? Thank you.